Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi problems on Motorola Edge 7D. So first, go into the Wi-Fi settings, disable the Wi-Fi, and after a couple of seconds enable it again. You can also do it with the airplane mode, enable and then disable. If you're already connected, click the gear next to your Wi-Fi, then disconnect and forget. Now you need to wait till all your Wi-Fi is loaded and okay. Now type in the password and click connect. And now you should be connected and it all should work normally. If you still experience any troubles, then just restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.